Hello, I'm John Victor Hall, and today I'd like to talk to you about my workout and drill videos on my YouTube channel. How do you use these videos to improve your English? Well, the videos work like this. First, I give you a sentence that I want you to repeat. Now that is listening comprehension practice. Then the next thing I do is I tell you to change the sentence in a particular way. Then you have to go ahead and do that. You have to make the new sentence. Finally, I give you a correct version of the sentence and you have to listen and repeat it. So you get listening comprehension practice and you get speaking fluency practice all in the same exercise. Now, if you are listening to my videos and you're not speaking, well, you're not improving your speaking fluency, that's for sure. Yes, when you listen to my videos, you need to speak. So you need to make sure that you're in a place where you can speak English and where people are not going to bother you. So, yes, that's how you do the exercises that are on my videos. Now, the next thing is, how often should you practice the videos? How often should you do this speaking practice of yours with my YouTube videos? Well, I recommend that you practice once a day, every day. Now, most of my students are from Costa Rica, and Costa Ricans are very hard-working people. As a matter of fact, there was once a study by the OECD. Among OECD countries, Costa Rica has people who work the second greatest number of hours per week of all of those countries. There are some countries in that group that include Japan, the United States, and Korea. Well, Costa Rica works, the typical Costa Rican works more hours than the people do in those countries. That means that Costa Ricans have very little time, very little free time, and very little time to practice their English. However, with these videos, you don't have to practice for very long. You do need to practice every day. That's what I recommend. Practicing every day. But my videos are usually between 5 and 10 minutes long. So you don't actually need a lot of time. Plus, you can also practice with the videos. You don't really need to watch me during the video. You need to be able to hear me. But watching me, you don't need to do that. So actually, some of my students practice these videos while they're driving or while they're doing household chores. But it is very important that you practice once a day, okay? My students, yes, they have a lot of hours. And then, of course, they are working professionals. A lot of them are boyfriends or girlfriends, or their wives or husbands, or mothers and fathers, and they have other social responsibilities, other members of their family that they have to take care of. They're extremely busy. And so this is a great way, I think, to help not just Costa Ricans, but people from any country in the world who don't have a lot of time for practicing their English. You need to practice and practice and practice in order to become fluent in English, in order to become professionally bilingual for your job. And this, I think, is a great way to do it. So please watch my videos. Please watch the workout and drill videos in particular. These are the ones that are really going to help you. These are the exercises for you to practice daily, okay? Go ahead, do that, practice those, and watch your English get better.